Welcome to Pom in Oz Reviews, reviewing the world from down under.
G'day legends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. For any of you that are returning, thank you for coming back, and for any of you that have just clicked on this thumbnail and are new to this channel, thank you for joining me. So my channel is primarily based around technology. I like to do battery packs, chargers, cables, anything that's revolving around technology, but something today a little bit different. This, I think, is probably one of the most Australian coffee cups I've ever seen. I've seen these out in public a couple of times, and I thought I'm going to give them a go and grab myself a couple, because fundamentally we all buy coffee cups. We pop into the shop every once in a while. We want something to keep our drinks cold. We want something to keep our drinks hot. We like our stubby holders. We like our little holders for our cans, keep our cans cool, keep our beers cool, things like that. I come across this company and basically they've created a cup holder that does it all. Keeps your drinks cold, keeps other drinks hot, keeps your cans cold, keeps your beers cold. And I had to grab me a couple. Once I saw their website and had a look around, I love some of the colours that these guys do. So I'm going to throw a link in the description of this video. I'd like you to go and have a look. If you're one of these that actually buys these things, I've looked around in some of the stores at the cost of some of these. And I've seen, throughout different stores with different brands and all that, they do cost a significant amount of money. And I mean, I'm talking, I've seen them for $10, but then sometimes you see them for $30. Others you see for $70. But this one, they're running a little sale off on at the moment on their website, where they got 20% off a little range of their stubby cup holders. So I decided to get myself a couple. I wanted to try them out. I want to see what they're all about. I've seen them out in public. I absolutely love them. I think they're great. But for me, as someone who drives to work in the morning, if I'm taking my car, I do like to make a coffee in the morning and take it with me. But equally, I do have my ice drinks. I do have my iced tea and all that through the day. And this is one cup that kind of covers it all. So I wanted to tell you about it quickly. Kind of encourage you to come and have a look. This is a couple who started off this business. I believe they started around 2022, and they're based in the Sunshine Coast, which is literally just half an hour north from me. They've also do baseball caps. They also do some headwear. As you can see right now, I'm wearing one of their baseball caps as well. And they also do, if I'll show you quickly, they do their stubby cups, they do their headwear, and then obviously they do some accessories. And they also do a hydro cloak, waterproof and windproof changing robe, something you would obviously have on the beach, helps you get changed discreetly. Yeah, for me, that's not something I'm particularly interested in, but I did love the idea of the stub cup. So I've got a couple here. I've got one for myself and one for my other half, and then the baseball cap for myself. I'm going to do a quick little unboxing because I want to show you what they're all about. I think these things are amazing. And when you see the design, you'll realise that they're probably the most Aussie cup holder you'll ever come across. Which I suppose just, gives you that extra little fondness of them. So I'm going to go to the other camera now, do a quick unboxing, show you what they're like, just talk you through the features, see what you think. If you like what you see, jump over to their website. They don't know I'm making this video. This is not sponsored. These are all bought and paid for with my own money, so I've got no sponsorship deals with anyone. But as for any of you that have come back to my channel, I do like to share products that come along, something a little bit different. And, while they got offers on at the moment, they're significantly cheaper. And, if they serve your purpose, if they're good for you, go ahead and grab one or two. Because I think, like I said, I've seen other people using these and I think they're absolutely great. So yeah, it's time I got my own. So I'm going to unbox these two. I've got two different colours. I'm going to show you them quickly, show you what they're all about, and then we'll go from there. Come on over. Okay guys, so here we are. We're going to have a look at these two cups. I'm going to try and make this as quick as possible. I'll just give you a brief rundown of what they say on their box, but they're designed as a stubby cooler and a coffee cup. They say they will keep cold for 24 hours and hot for 8 hours. Double wall vacuum insulation and 18/8 stainless steel. Integrated bottle opener at the bottom. Slim bottom to fit most cup holders. Again, for me, this is great in the car. They got a swing sip dual lid with steel straw for water or iced coffees and a sip opening for coffee and hot drinks. Forgot your water bottle, ideal for drinking with 24-hour insulation and BPA free. So, as you can see, mine took a little bit of a hit in the post, but hopefully it's just the box that got damaged. So, I haven't opened these, I haven't seen these ones yet, so this is my first time seeing them with you. Okay, so it looks like we've got our lid there. Okay, so this is the one I got in grape. So I'm just gonna take this off. And there it is, guys. So that is your Get Rugged stub cup. So like I say, for me, this is one of the most Australian stub cup holders I've come across, because like many other things, I've got a bottle of 4X Gold there. You're able to flip the cup over, open your bottle, place it inside, and then you get your locking ring, pull it over the top, screw it down, and there you go. So there's your cooler for your bottle. I will just slip that off. And this will also do cans. So if I grab a can, plonk it in there, put that over the top, slide it on. As you can see, it's got a little rubber grommet around there that seals. Screw it in, and now you've got your cooler for your can. Again, great little idea. And then it does double, like I say, as a coffee cup for hot and cold drinks. So what they have done here with the lid is they've given you an integrated straw, and this is a metal straw. So it's going to be completely reusable, attached to a little bit of rubber there. So you can basically plonk that on. Once you've got your coffee in there, you flip that up. So as you can see there, you've got your drinking spout there for your coffee. And then you can flip this lid up. And there you've got your connection for your metal straw, for your ice cold drinks or your cold waters, anything like that. So yeah, all completely, fully integrated. Lock that back down, flip that up, and like I say, there you got your coffee. Take it off, plonk that back on there, and there you got your stubby holder for your cans and your beer bottles. So like I say, this is just a quick little video. I just wanted to show something like this because perhaps there's a lot of you that don't know about these products. But when you consider the price, you know, sometimes I've seen bottles and, you know, cup holders and things like that in the shops, and, you know, coffee warmers. I've seen them for $30, $50, $70. These that run at full price, they're $50 or $49, sorry. They do have a whole range of new designs, and there are loads of different colours. They got the whites, the greens, the grape, black, red, light blue, pinks. You know, they got orange, a very vast range of colours. But I think they're absolutely brilliant, just having that bottle opener integrated into the bottom. And when I say this is an Australian thing, this really is. So this is my thong. This is one of my thongs that I bought some time ago for wearing down the beach and that. When you turn it over, it's got an integrated bottle opener in the bottom of the thong. So there you go. These are some of the most Australian products you can get. Even your thongs that you're wearing around, you can flip your foot up and open your bottle. Amazing. So I absolutely love that idea. But there you go. This is what the Aussies are all about. So I'm just going to open the other one for you now. So like I say, I've got two. I've got one for myself and then one for my other half. The grape is for my other half. She wanted the grape. And obviously because I work in heavy industries, I didn't really want the colours because of it getting scuffed and marked and things like that. So I just got the stainless steel version. So there you go. There's the stainless steel one. Same again, integrated bottle opener in the bottom. Get rugged, stub cup. So there's your ring for your cans and your bottles. There's your lid with your metal straw, and all ready to go. Again, there's your little spout for drinking hot drinks. There's your spout for drinking your cold drinks. All fully integrated. Like I say, a few of these at the moment, they do have 20% off. So they're running them, let me see what colours we've got. Yeah, so we got the beige. They've got the beige that's running at $39. The stainless steel's running at $39. The lemon colour, yellows. You know, they've got a few of them. The white. There is a few of them on this website. They're running at $39. They're baseball caps. One of them's running slightly cheaper. Like I say, guys, you know, if you think 39 or 49 is too much, then you know, that's fine. Ignore this video. But I suppose if you do go to a supermarket and have a look around, you know, at coffee warmers and things like that, all these kind of cups, they do get up there in price. So I think this, for what it does, considering this pretty much a 5-in-1, it's you know, it keeps your hot drinks hot, cold drinks cold, metal straw for your iced drinks, spout for your coffee, and a bottle opener built into the bottom. It doesn't get more Aussie than that. So I absolutely love these things. I think they're great. So yeah, I just wanted to bring this to you. You probably never heard of them. You've probably never heard of anything like this. Click on the link in the description. Go and have a look for yourself. Look at the colours. You might decide you want one for yourself. Like I say, no kickbacks for me on anything like this. This is, you know, this is not sponsored. But you're just supporting a couple who, you know, whose passion in Australia right now, they live in the Sunshine Coast, is they spend their weekends going out camping, four-wheel driving and things like that. And this must be like a little side hustle for them. But great idea, absolutely great idea. I love these things. I'm going to be using it for work every day, especially for my coffee, you know, taking my coffee to work in the morning. But then, you know, sometimes if I do fancy a can of Coke or anything like that, it's going to keep my Coke cool. So yeah, there you go, guys. Just a nice quick one for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for joining me on this one. Like I say, this is not for everyone. This is not technology related or anything like that. But you know, when I see these other little things, I don't want to be sort of niche and only stick to one category of product. I kind of, you know, want to bring everything out. And when I see things, I think that are absolutely Aussie, or you know, they're absolutely a good price, or you know, they work for me, they might work for you. I'm going to share them, you know, and hope I help you out. If I do, please drop a thumbs up. You know, a few of you guys do watch these videos, but you don't subscribe and you don't give me a thumbs up. I know it's asking a lot, but the feedback is really good for me because, you know, I want to make more of these videos. I want to keep this channel growing. I'd like to bring in a bigger audience. I'd like to bring in more products, do a lot more unboxings, a lot more reviews. But I need some encouragement from you guys. You know, that would be really helpful for me. Just let me know you're watching. You know, you're getting some value out of it. Like I say, I always reply to comments. Come along and drop me a comment if you used these before, or if you're going to get one. Come along and have a chat, you know, and I'll have a chat with you. Be absolutely great. So thank you very much. And like I always say, take real good care of yourselves and don't let life get the better of you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Thank you for joining Pominos today, and don't forget to hit that like button.